Are Hub-Centric spacers better for Dodge? Installing Hub-Centric spacers on the Dodge vehicle offers several advantages over non-Hub-Centric spacers.
By providing a more even distribution of weight across the wheel assembly, Hub-Centric spacers can reduce the stress placed on individual components, such as the wheel bearings and suspension. This can increase the durability of components and reduce the risk of accidents and breakdowns. Good Hub-Centric spacers are designed for the racetrack that need specific load requirements. BONOSS Forge active cooling spacers come with multi-stage Hub-Centric rings. The Hub-Centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers perfectly fit the corresponding hub spacers. This design is effective in eliminating the vibration of wheels. These BONOSS Forge active cooling spacers are vehicle-specific. This means they are made according to your vehicle specification, so you are worry-free about vibration issue.
BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers come with active cooling grooves. When the wheels rotate, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow efficiently and continuously inside the wheel spacers to take away the heat. Therefore, it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. In this way, these BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers can improve heat dissipation efficiency and reduce safety risk during driving.
By providing a more even distribution of weight across the wheel assembly, Hub-Centric spacers can reduce the stress placed on individual components, such as the wheel bearings and suspension. This can increase the durability of components and reduce the risk of accidents and breakdowns. BONOSS insists on producing professional forged spacers, which are safer, more professional, and more reliable than others.